In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart email in Mailchimp. Abandoned cart emails are one of the most effective ways to recover potential customers who added products to their cart but left before completing their purchase. By setting up this automation properly, you can remind shoppers about the items they left behind and encourage them to return to your store and finish checking out. To begin, open your browser, head over to the Mailchimp website, and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the menu on the left-hand side and navigate to the Integrations section. This step is important because your online store must be connected to Mailchimp before abandoned cart emails can work correctly. If your store is not yet connected, follow the setup instructions provided by Mailchimp to establish the integration. Once the connection is complete, Mailchimp will begin syncing important information from your store, including products, customer activity, and order details. This data allows Mailchimp to automatically track when a shopper abandons their cart and trigger the appropriate email sequence. After your store integration is active, move over to the Automation section and select All Journeys. Here, you can create automated marketing workflows based on customer actions and behavior. You'll have the option to build a journey from scratch or choose from Mailchimp's ready-made templates. For this tutorial, using a pre-designed template is usually the faster and easier choice because it already includes a proven structure for abandoned cart emails. Inside the Available Automations categories, select the eCommerce section and choose the Abandoned Cart Email option. This automation is specifically designed to send follow-up emails whenever a customer leaves products in their cart without completing the purchase. Next, configure the abandoned cart trigger so the email sends automatically after a certain amount of time. You can adjust the waiting period depending on your marketing strategy. Some businesses prefer sending reminders after 1 hour, while others wait several hours or even a full day. Timing plays a major role because reaching out while the shopping experience is still fresh in the customer's mind can improve recovery rates. Once the trigger timing is set, click on the Email step within the automation workflow and select Design Email. Here, you'll customize the message to match your brand style and communication tone. Add a campaign name for internal organization, then create a subject line that encourages customers to return and complete their purchase. After that, choose a template for the email layout. Mailchimp provides professionally designed templates that work especially well for abandoned cart reminders, helping you save time while maintaining a polished appearance. Before activating the automation, carefully review all your settings and email content. When everything looks correct, click Start Journey or Turn On to launch the abandoned cart automation successfully. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.